If you're experiencing iMessage or FaceTime activation errors, just keep on watching this video because we prepared a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix this error. First step, open Settings on your phone and go to General. This is just above Control Center. Now under General, go to Date and Time and make sure that your date and time is set automatically. This will prevent date and time errors that might lead to iMessage or FaceTime activation errors. If this doesn't work, go back to Settings and scroll down until you see the Messages icon or Messages button. Here, check if your iMessage is activated, and this is activated when the button is color green and not color gray. If it's turned on already, you can try turning it off and then turning it on again. If this step still doesn't work, go back to Settings and check if your phone has any updates available. You can do this by going back to Settings, then pressing the General icon or General button, and then pressing Software Update. You can also turn on automatic updates so you don't have to manually go to Settings every time there's an update available. Now, if you're done updating your software or there are no more updates available, but you're still experiencing problems with your iMessage or FaceTime, the last step that you can try or do is to turn off your device and turn it on again. So just long press your power button, slide to power off, and then turn on your phone again. Once you're done, you can check if your iMessage and FaceTime is already working. And that's all for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe. We hope to see you again next time.